Hi there, this is Mrs. Hall. I'm just going to do a short video of the things that we did in class today. You are going to go to your school Gmail account. I need you to sign up for Google Classroom. Click on the 3x3 9 dots, or the waffle, some people call it, and you will find Google Classroom. You're going to click on that. Click on the plus sign at the top of the page. You want to join a class. It is going to ask you for a class code. Here is the Honors Algebra 2 class code. Once you're signed into Google Classroom, you are going to go to the classwork page, go to resources, open the course syllabus. We went through the course syllabus today. We read about the teacher information, pride, course goals, and so on. We made it all the way down to homework. To click on this, you need to click on the outside of the box, or if you are in present mode, you can just click right on the box. Present mode is a little bit better for getting around, and go down through and read the different places that are in here. Classroom instruction. The next page tells you exactly the method that I'll be using during our class. Go to the homework page. You need to sign up for your textbook. Here is the link. When you go to myhomework.com, you need to enter your school Gmail account. That is your username, and your password is Spruce 2020. So you're going to use your school Gmail account for the username, and the password is Spruce 2020. If I was your Algebra 1 teacher, you need to make sure that you put an exclamation point before your school Gmail account. You already have an account for the Algebra 1 book. It will not allow you to have two accounts. I made your username so that you have an exclamation point at the beginning of your school Gmail account, and then the password is still Spruce 2020. Next, you're going to go to Khan Academy. Sign up for an account in Khan Academy by using your school Gmail account. Every time that you sign up for something, use your school account, please. For those of you that already have a Khan Academy account, you are going to put in the class code, which is highlighted here for you. So go down to Honors Algebra 2, click on the link for Khan Academy, join 2021 Honors Algebra 2. Some of you already have an account, and all you need then is a class code to join another class. You still have an account for the Algebra 1, maybe you have an account for geometry. Now you need to have a different class code for Honors Algebra 2. Next is Edpuzzle. Again, click on the Honors Algebra 2 link and sign up. And Flipgrid, the Honors Algebra 2 link, using your school Gmail account. Finally, we ended with, in classwork, here is the affidavit that you need to sign. You need to get your parent's signature saying that you are willing to put in the work for an honors class. Take a look at the materials that you're going to need for your notebook, interactive student notebook. And finally, I posted today the summer homework packet, summer homework. We will be working on this in the next couple of weeks. We're going to do a little bit at a time. The first link is for the directions. The second link you will need. These are the notes that are included with the packet. Anything that's in these notes, you will be asked questions in the packet. The summer homework packet is the third link. And here you will be answering some questions. Now, one thing that I wanted to mention that will help you to be able to write digitally, if you go back to the course syllabus, notice that here on C, Cami, we will be writing with Cami. You need to go to your account where you can find the waffle again, wherever that is. Maybe it's just on a Google page, maybe it's in your Drive, maybe it's in your email, wherever it is that you see those 9 dots. We want to find Cami. Tech has already put it in there for us to use. You need to scroll down quite a ways, keep going until you see the big K, PDF and document annotation. Click on that. Again, sign in using your school Gmail account. It's going to ask you for access to your Drive. Open from Google Drive and sign in. Yours probably looks a little bit different because I already have Cami, but whatever it says here, you're going to sign in with your school account. And once you do that, you have this PDF that your summer homework that you can write right on. Open with, this is how you'll open it every time that you want to use it. Open with, and Cami will be right at the top when you open that. And here are the things that you will be able to use. Wow, looks like they've upgraded this. Sweet. Okay. You have a text box where you could click in here for the text box. Please don't use red. Pick any color but red. Write the set or sets of each number. If you look in your notes, on the second page right here, you can use the letters that are used here. Okay, everything is a complex number. C, it is a real number. You can use R. It's a fraction, so that means that it's rational. Q for rational. Fractions are not in the integers, fractions are not in the whole numbers, and fractions are not in the natural numbers. That means that that would be our final answer. It's a part of the complex, the reals, and the rationals. Final answer. Here on number 2, I can also use the drawing tool here. Square root of 16 equals 4. The number 4 is found in the natural numbers. The natural numbers start with 1, 2, 3, 4. And so that would be an N. 4 is also found in the whole numbers, in the integers. There are whole numbers in the rationals, the reals, and the complex. So it takes all of these for the number 4. Whole, integers, whole numbers, integers, rationals, reals, and complex. If you have a stylus, this would work good. Otherwise, you probably just want to use the text box on this. So we have the text box, we have the drawing tools. Of course, I have the eraser down here that I can erase. And that's how you use Cami to start with. We will get into some other things later on. That is the basics, though, of getting Cami from your waffle. And then whenever you open a PDF, you just say, open with Cami, and then you are able to annotate right on top of the PDF. That is what we did in class today. We went over the syllabus, we signed up for our digital platforms, and we started on the summer homework. I hope this helps.